Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing some Hot Wheels. Well, not some, but a lot, because I love collecting Hot Wheels. And I've been collecting maybe 30 here for the past month, so this is going to take us a while. So I have a big bin down here, maybe like 2 feet by 1 feet. And Jenny, my sister, and we're going to...
Hi guys. I also have a YouTube channel. It's called Galaxy Star 16, so please go check it out.
So we're going to dig our hand in and pick one. Ready? Round one.
I got, oh god, it has dust on it.
I got Tesla.
I got
Tesla Model Y.
Volkswagen.
It's cool.
Yay, I love Volkswagen.
We need a trash
They're
pile.
like my
your favorite's Subaru.
Tesla. Twinkle toes.
Just
Those
take...
good old days. Alright, I'm acting like a
You just unbox these.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, that was quick. So here's Jenny's. Show it up to the camera. There's
Pretty
Volkswagen.
cool.
Here's this Tesla Model Y, I think. Yeah, Tesla Model Y. So let's put these off to the side.
I have a feeling this is going to be cringe. Like we're unboxing toys.
You got
like
your next one? Ooh,
Oh,
wow.
I have Lotus.
Bentley Continental G3.
Lotus Emira.
Emva? I don't know.
Emira. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not good with cars, guys. No, it's just not my thing.
I love how they just come out and they feel so good.
I know.
I just don't know why.
Here's my car.
Wow.
It's pretty cool.
These are pretty...
Looks like a hot rod.
These are pretty sick. Let's go.
Next one.
And, pick
I have Dodge Challenger drift car.
That's cool. Oh, wait. Look at this. This is that... Wait. Oh, yeah. This is the second Matchbox of the day.
Matchbox? I haven't unboxed a Matchbox. Get it? That was cringe.
Next thing I know, my channel's gonna be banned for such cringe jokes.
I know. I am cringe. Just alert when you check out my channel.
She is cringe. She's very cringe.
This is mine. Kind of cool. If you think it's cool.
I
think it's cool.
I can't say the name because I'll get banned and copyrighted, but gas station van. I'm sure you guys can tell by the logo, but I don't want to get copyright. It's a pretty cool one.
Whoa! This one is Alfa Romeo AC.
Alfa Romeo.
No. Oh yes.
Yeah,
I thought that was a D.
Of course you did.
If you guys are good with cars, please teach me how to pronounce the right names.
This is a Hot Wheels kit concept. This is from a movie. I don't know. It's the Knight Rider. I don't know what movie that's from, but I just thought it looks very cool and futuristic. But if you guys know what movie it's from, comment down below because I don't know.
Oh my god.
This is actually a pretty cool car. Like, look at this. The front light kind of looks
17 Ford GT.
This
looks like a Lamborghini.
It's not even a Lamborghini. Okay, this is getting... Yeah, it's a Ford GT. 2017.
Pretty cool.
I found that one in...
So this is my favorite shade of blue.
Dollar
No,
General.
it's not. This is not my favorite shade of blue. That was a lie.
How about this one?
Yeah?
Okay.
I'll be right back, guys.
She has to be right back. She has to go help my brother. But, I guess I'll do the rest. So this is a Automobile Familia. I don't know. This is obviously a foreign car because we don't have these in America. I mean, unless they were imported. I don't know. I've never seen one of these on the road. But this is a really cool car. Look at this. That's a cool car. Very cool. I always like these wheels on the futuristic ones. They don't fit the classic ones. Like, I know some Hot Wheels have them. Oh, this is one of my favorites, Ford Bronco. I already have a couple Ford Broncos. I think I have 4 Ford Broncos. This is like my 5th one. A good place to find Ford Broncos is Walmart. I found all my Ford Broncos in Walmart. I've never found them anywhere else. I never order these cars on Amazon because the prices are insane on Amazon. But yeah, this is very cool. Really cool. God, there's a lot going on. Ooh, Koenigsegg camera. That's really cool. Open this one up. Wow, look, you can see, like, the interior, like, very good. Oh, wait, these come with roof racks in real life, I think. Yeah, very cool. I love this one. Next one. Pile's growing here, as we can see. Okay, come on. Roadster, baby. These are always so cool. I'm gonna clean my room when I'm done with this. Weird, but the front stickers look so weird. I'm not too sure if I'm a fan of the front sticker. The back looks fine, but the front just looking a little sus. We've got like 5 left. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5 left. Another foreign car, Renault. These are always super cool. I'm gonna have to use the scissors to pry these open. Some of these. Always go from the corners. Always go from the corners, because if you go from like the middle, well, corners A are the weakest, and B, the car doesn't go all the way to the corner, so you're not going to damage the car, but you're going to have enough room to pry it open. Because you don't want to scratch your brand new car. But this one's very sick. This is like a really cool SUV here. These are actually very cool. Wow. It's got like a full roof there. It's like a full window. Oh, look at this. Looks like I have 2 of these. One is white and one is black. And, oh, wow. So, yeah, they're pretty cool. They're both the same, I believe. Yeah, same, just different color. So, I'll do this one. It kind of looks weird that it doesn't have a roof. It's kind of just sticking out. It's weird, not even a windshield. It's weird. It just feels like something's missing. It just makes it seem like something's missing. Maybe it'll look cooler in the black. Ooh, yeah. Wow, this actually looks really cool in the black. Very cool in the black. And it's not like gloss. It's like not metallic. It's like glossy black. It's like different from this one and this one. It's kind of, you can tell in person they're different. But yeah, I definitely like the black one better. Final 2. Ford Shelby. This one's really cool. This pile's getting a little too insane. Ford Shelby. Really cool. Last one, which is 16. It's really cool. Mazda RX-3. One of those classic ones again. And look, this classic one doesn't have those futuristic looking tires on it. But yeah, some cool little designs and decals. I really like this one. I think it'll go with my collection. So that was for the month of March. In April, I'll be doing another Hot Wheels unboxing. And also I may be doing some other collectors unboxing. And I need to go clean up all this trash. So, see you guys later. Bye.